What are the main differences when it comes to financial planning? The flexibility and functionality of custom planning software are not on par with Excel. While with Excel there is limited integration, no automated data consolidation, and overall, there is a lot of manual editing and emailing back and forth. Is there a way to avoid making compromises? Meet Abylon Rapid Planner and take your financial planning and analysis to a whole new level. With our solution, you don't have to leave the familiar, comfortable environment of Excel, as we support and simplify our clients' planning process using an add-in. So, there's no need to learn a new interface, and you can use the endless, well-known capabilities of Excel. All planning and analysis data is stored in a single, centralized location. The system can automatically connect to ERP, CRM, and other enterprise back-end systems, while Power BI and Tableau connections offer the possibility for advanced data visualization. Controlling can easily work with other departments, even simultaneously on the same data. Forget sending various Excel spreadsheets back and forth. And thanks to multi-level access control, enterprise-grade data security and confidentiality are guaranteed. Thanks to built-in automations and data validations, manual editing can be minimized, speeding up financial planning and forecasting. This allows users to relocate the time spared for more valuable business tasks. Abylon Rapid Planner provides quick-to-implement, ready-to-use business templates for all elements of the planning process, such as revenue, operating and capital expense, human resources, but also makes it quick and easy to create other customized templates. Our solution offers you a wide range of built-in reports to meet both standard and ad hoc business-specific needs. With Abylon Rapid Planner, for example, you can easily add explanations of version differences during the forecast process. With Abylon Rapid Planner, you no longer need to compromise when it comes to financial planning and analysis. Previously complex, time-consuming and low value-added tasks become faster and simpler. Our solution is quick to implement, and due to its well-known UI, it requires no additional training. Streamline your financial planning and forecasting so you have more time to improve your business. Interested? For more information, visit our website or contact us at info@abylon.hu.